Ever heard a loud snap and wondered if your garage door just broke? That sound could mean a broken spring, a common yet critical issue. Garage doors are essential for home security and convenience, but they face wear and tear over time, especially in places like Panama City, Florida. One of the most frequent problems is broken garage door springs, which bear significant weight and tension, making them prone to failure. When a spring breaks, you might notice the door not opening fully, or at all, and sometimes a visible gap in the torsion spring. Garage door openers can also malfunction, with issues ranging from unresponsive remote controls to grinding noises. Misaligned or bent tracks can cause the door to stick or move unevenly, often due to impact or regular wear and tear. Worn or broken rollers lead to noisy, jerky movements and can even cause the door to come off its track. Faulty cables, which work with springs to balance the door, can fray or snap, posing significant safety hazards. Preventive maintenance is key. Lubricate moving parts, inspect hardware, and ensure sensors are clean and aligned to avoid major repairs. Choosing a reliable repair service with experienced, licensed, and insured technicians ensures your garage door remains safe and efficient.